Hey you guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. We are currently inside Target to share the deals starting today through the 19th. Before we get into the Target deals, I just want to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Grove Collaborative. So thank you so much, Grove. So when you place your first order, you're going to get a free gift set from Grove. So they're offering the Grove Collaborative hand soap. It comes in this, you get the hand soap jar and then you get the refillable pouch of the hand soap. You're also going to get the walnut scrubbers and you're also going to get this dish brush right here. So it's a little scrubber that you can scrub your dish with. And then you can add some soap into it to kind of like press down on it and it collects the soap and then you can scrub your sink with it. So this is a really great promo running with Grove Collaborative. So make sure you check out the link below. When you sign up, you get that free with your first $20 order. And if you place an order with if you are an existing customer and you place your order, you're going to get the walnut scrubbers for free. So this is a really great deal. So now let's go ahead and get into the Target deal. In the baby section, there is a spend $100, get $20 back in select baby care. So it's diapers, wipes, training pants, formula, baby food. So best bang for your buck if you're going for diapers, skip the name brand and just go for the Up and Up brand. So the giant packs are priced for $21.99. So what you want to do is buy 5 of them for $109.95. Then you get that $20 Target gift card back, making it $89.95 for all 5 of them, or $17.99 each. Now the starting price is $21.99 and then you're getting it down to $17.99 after you factor in the gift card, and that's going to be cheaper than any of the name brands. We currently have coupons for Pampers and Huggies. There are printable coupons on coupons.com for Huggies. We had insert coupons for Huggies, and inside your Target Cartwheel app there are coupons. So if you guys are more interested in the name brand, then go ahead and do that. But this deal does exclude BabyGanic, so you can't load up on BabyGanic diapers and then get the gift card. That's the only exclusion. But yeah, this is a great deal. So I always tell you guys to go for the Up and Up brand of diapers because you get more diapers for less money. So great deal, and you can utilize this online. I'll have a link below if you guys just want to shop Target.com. I know the East, I think it's Northeast, is getting quite a lot of snow. So if you are currently in one of those states where you guys have a bunch of snow around and you can't get out, then just go to Target.com and you will still get that gift card. So great deal. So what's cool about this gift card promo is you can double dip with this promo right here. So you're going to receive a $5 Target gift card when you buy 15 of the Happy Baby or Happy Tots. This is the baby food and pouches. So you can combine this gift card promo with the spend 100 get 20 because it's on baby food as well. So you guys can mix and match. If you need baby food along with your diapers, this would be a good way to earn some double gift cards. All right, you guys, so there is clearance everywhere, especially in the kids and baby clothes. So I found this 2-pack of fuzzy sleepers. This is $8.49, you guys. This is great. And then I found this Cat and Jack one, the single one, for $7.48, but it's a better value if you go for the 2-pack, if you ask me. So really great deals here in the baby, and they have tons of like jackets, tons of stuff, you guys. All right, so after Christmas time, you're also going to see a ton of toy clearance. So all the toys that they're trying to clear out that didn't sell over the holiday time, you're going to see a ton of toy clearance in your store. All right, you guys, so there's a really good promo running this week, and it's on Pepsi brand items. So you're going to get a free $5 Target gift card when you spend $20 or more in Frito-Lay products. Now you can get this coupon by texting Pepsi to 827438, or you can get this coupon inside Cartwheel or in your physical ad. So this is a really great promo running. You guys could load up on sodas. The 2 liters are priced 3 for $5. This would be a good time to load up on some water, some chips. Like honestly, you guys could just stock up on your snacks for the Super Bowl. It even includes the Starbucks bottled beverages. There's so much, you guys. So really great time to stock up. You guys, so we have a deal on the Welch's fruit snacks here at Target. So they are priced for $1.98. Let's just round it off to $2. And then there's a printable $1 off 2 coupon, or you can use the coupon that came in the Smart Source from last week. So pick up 2 for $4 and then use the $1 off coupon. So now you're down 2 for $3, and then you can submit $1 back to checkout 51, making them 2 for $2 or $1 a piece. So this is a really great deal, guys. So we have a deal on Nabisco snacks here at Target. So they are priced 2 for $5. In today's Smart Source, we got a 75-cent off 2 coupon that came in the inserts today. So that'll make them 2 for $4.25. So that's a really good deal, especially if you favor the Nabisco snacks. There's so many you guys can choose from. If you guys have extras of these coupons, please send them my way. My husband, he is crazy over snacks like this, like Teddy Grahams, and he loves the oyster crackers and stuff like that. So if you have extras, our family would 100% use them. And then I'm going to take you guys to the Nutri-Grain bars. So they are priced 2 for $4 or $2 each. So there is a 75-cent back on one on checkout 51. You can only do it one time, but if you guys like Nutri-Grain bars, then this would be a really good option to pick up and get that 75-cent cash back. You can use this coupon on the small tubs as well. So Target has these priced for $1.09. So you'd buy 2 of them for $2.18, and then you can use the 75-cent off coupon right here. It just says on a product that's 3.5 ounces or larger. So you can choose from the Oreos. Also, you can choose from the Nutter Butters, and also that's all I'm seeing. So Oreos or Nutter Butters. Okay, you guys, so we have a really good deal on the 1850 coffee. So there is a 50% off Target cartwheel. So there's a really high value Target cartwheel, and there is a $1.50 printable coupon on coupons.com. So it's on sale for $5.99. So it's going to drop down to, let's just round it to $6. So it's going to drop to $3, and then that printable $1.50 off coupon is going to make this bag $1.50, you guys. So starting price is $6.49 down to $1.50. So this is a really good deal. All right, you guys, so we have a really good deal on Special K cereals. So select Special Ks are priced for $2.50 each, and there was a $1.50 off 2 coupon in last week's Retail Me Not, and there's also a printable coupon on coupons.com. So buy 2 of them for $5, and then you could take a $1.50 off, so that makes it $3.50 for the both of them. So that's a really good deal. Alrighty, you guys, so we have a really good deal on Pop-Tarts this week here at Target. So this is on the 12 count. So there is a 25% off Target cartwheel on the 12 count of Pop-Tarts. So this scenario, what you want to do is buy 3 of them. So they're priced for $2.99 each. So go ahead and buy 3 of them. You're at $8.97. That 25% off cartwheel is going to take $2.24 off. And then you can use a $1 off 1 printable coupon. It's a $1 off 3 coupon that you can find on coupons.com. So final cost is going to be $5.73 or just $1.91 each. So if you're someone who loves Pop-Tarts, this is a great deal. And the 8 count boxes are priced for $1.98. So when you combine that coupon and the sale, you get the bigger box for less than the smaller box, if that makes any sense. Okay, so we have a deal on the Stoke Cold Brew. So these are priced for $4.69, and we currently have a 15% off Target cartwheel that you can use here. So that's going to make this guy $3.99. The cartwheel takes 70 cents off, so now we're less than the Starbucks. So I'm going to pick this up and give it a go. Alrighty, guys, so the Brita water filters, these are on sale for $24.64. So there is a $4 coupon you can print from coupons.com. There was one in our inserts, and then there's one inside the Target Cartwheel app. So that'll make this $20.64. So save some money this year on some bottled water and just get a Brita and just keep on using the filters. And a fun trick for you guys, you can use the Up and Up brand filters. It fits the same inside these Brita pitchers. I know because I have a Brita pitcher and I use the Up and Up refills. So I would definitely suggest you guys opt for the Brita because you're going to get a 10 cup pitcher for less than the 6 cup pitcher. But just remember, you can use the Up and Up brand water filter replacements, and they're less expensive than the Brita. So you can get an Up and Up single filter for, well, it's on sale $3.49, but regular price is $4.99 versus the Brita name brand, which is $6.69. All right, you guys, so we have a really good deal on some Finish dish pods. So I'm going to show you the single offer first. So let's see, this is the 24 pack. It's priced for $5.69. We got a 2-off-1 coupon in last week's Smart Source, so that'll drop this down to $3.69. Now if you want to go for the bigger pack, the 36 pack is priced for $9.49, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card, and you can go ahead and use 2 of these 2-off-1 coupons. The coupon says limit of 2 like coupons, so you can use 2 coupons. So let me just go ahead and do the math with you guys. Let's see, $9.49 times 2 minus 4. So now you'll pay $14.98 and then get that $5 Target gift card back, making both of them $9.98 or $4.99 each. So that's a really good deal. And then also check your packages for free jet dry rinse aid. So this is attached to the package. So really good deal. And if you have a Harris Teeter in your area, I have a feeling that there's probably going to be a Super Double event. There might even be Super Doubles right now. And usually we were able to get these for free. So if you have a Harris Teeter, check your ad. You might have Super Doubles going on. All right, you guys, so we have a really good deal on natural dish cleaning and laundry and air care. So you're going to get 5% off. There's a 5% off sale across the whole board. So this is priced for $2.84. Now, if you guys are a Grove Collaborative purchaser, you can go ahead and take a picture of the checkout on Target.com, and Grove Collaborative will go ahead and price match the item in your cart. So this is a really good deal if you go for more natural cleaners, and the same goes for anything that you see that's on sale. Just price match it, send a photo to customer care at Grove, and they will go ahead and adjust the price. If I look like a chipmunk, I have cheese in my mouth. I just had to stop because this deal was so good. So I'm gonna look like a chipmunk for a minute. So the 7th generation laundry detergent is $11.99. And there's currently a printable coupon on coupons.com to take $1 off. So that'll make it $10.99. Just wanted to share that with you. You guys, if you have held on to your Revlon coupons, select ones are now 70% off. So if you have that 2-off-1 coupon, that makes these 38 cents, you guys. Okay, so these all make quads right here. They are clearance 50% off, so it's $2.48. With that $2 coupon, it's gonna make it 48 cents. All right, you guys, so we have those printable CoverGirl coupons, the $2 off coupons. So this is clearance to $4.98. With that $2 coupon, it's gonna be $2.98, a really good deal. Also, this is $3.98. Yeah, there's just so much, you guys. So come with your manufacturer coupons to Target. There are also some lip colors that are clearance, $2.08. So you can get this for 8 cents if you have that coupon for lip color. Crazy. All right, you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little car Target haul. So this will be fun. Car Target haul. So the first transaction I did the finish deal. So I bought 2 finishes. So I bought the 36 count and I also bought the 54 tab count. So my total, so they were both priced for $9.49. I used 2 of those 2-off-1 coupons from last week's Smart Source. So I ended up paying $16.01 with tax, and then I got a $5 Target gift card back. So my first transaction, I actually redeemed a Fetch Rewards gift card. So I went in with a $25 gift card, so I paid with that gift card. And then now I'm gonna share with you guys what I picked up next. So I got Scarlett some of these fleece footy pajamas. So they were clearance to $8.48. So I got that for her. And then I found this in the Target dollar spot. So it is felt money. So I'm gonna go ahead and you know, do some money activities with the kids. So I picked this up for them. It was $3. And then I got some of the stock cold brew coffee. So this was priced for $3.99 after that 15% off Target cartwheel. And then I could not pass this up. This was the little bodysuit for Tanner for Valentine's Day. It just says mommy is my main squeeze. So this was $5.99. And then I picked him up these socks too. It says Mr. Irresistible on them. So these are priced for, I think, $3.99, I think. So I got those for him. And then I got some clearance makeup. So I got this Maybelline Master Cameo pink correcting concealer. So it was 70% off, so it was $2.36. I had a 2 off 1 coupon for Maybelline, made it 36 cents. And then I got this eyeshadow quad from Maybelline. It's the quads. It was $2.48 clearanced. I used the 2 off 1 coupon, so it came out to 48 cents. And then I just picked, I couldn't help myself. I had to pick up the pineapple emery boards. So I used the $5 gift card I got from the Finish tabs. I rolled that into this transaction. And then I used the remainder of my gift card from Fetch Rewards. So out of pocket, this haul cost me $16.48. So I think for everything that I got, out of pocket, paying $16.48 was really good. So I'm gonna start incorporating my Fetch Reward gift cards and try to roll them into my Target transactions every single week, because I do coupon at Target every week. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do these little car hauls for you guys so you can see how my transactions went, what I purchased, what I used, and whatnot. So let me know in the comment section below if these little car hauls are helpful for you guys, and I will absolutely keep on doing them. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Sunday, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.